Hi everyone, Engineer Liu here. So we'll be starting a new series of tutorials on different programming language. On this case, Java. Well, Java, different from C, as you may know, it is a interpret language, so it works a little bit differently. And different from C, it's not a procedural language; it's mostly object-oriented language. So it's based on class and abstractions and so on. So this will be a Hello World program. So you must have Java installed on your machine. So there are several ways you can install Java. I will not get into that. So the first thing we have to do is create a main that Java file, and Visual Code, Visual Studio Code is already into some boilerplate. So this will be a Hello World program. So first things first, we create an interface abstract interface Hello World, right? And then we have a method which must be implemented, which will be a public void print Hello World on screen. Okay. So then we have to, an interface is basically a blueprint for a class, right? So we have a class concrete Hello World, which will implement this interface, this abstract interface Hello World. Okay, so now we must implement this function here, which is act as a prototype function. So it will be a public void print hello world on screen, and so we call we'll call one of the built-in functions of Java, which is print line. So it's system.out.print line, and then we say hello world. Okay. So so now we can create our main class in Java. So let me close this here. So all Java programs must have a main function, pretty much like C. So here it's a main class. So inside main class we have a main function, which is public static void main, and it takes command like arguments, the string it's string args, okay, and then we can create an instance, an object of our class. Remember, a class is like a blueprint for an object, which then we can reduce stuff. In this case, we will call this method here. So we'll call it like this: concrete hello world equals new concrete hello world. All right. So and now we can call its method like this: hello world, hello underscore world dot print hello world on screen. Okay, so we have everything set up, and now let me close this, and now we can run it like this. We first have to run java c main.java. Okay, so now we can run main.java. Our class main. Oops. Class not found exception main.java. Class found on application abstract interface hello world. Oh yeah, sorry. So yeah, we run Java C main.java or javac main.java, and now to run we simply run Java main, which is our main function, and there we go. We managed to print hello world on the screen. So hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, activate notifications, and see you next time. Bye.